How to create videos and thumbnails for YouTube using Sora AI. Want to make stunning videos and thumbnail in minutes using AI? Meet Sora. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to create full videos and eye-catching thumbnails using Sora AI. First, go to Sora's official platform and log in. Or you can navigate to chatgpt.com. Then head over to the Sora section. Once you're over here at the bottom, you're gonna find this prompt box. You give it a prompt just describing a scene or idea, and Sora generates realistic cinematic video clips. It's perfect for content creators, marketers, storytellers, or just anyone who wants to save time on editing and bring big ideas to life without a film crew. So let's give it a try. For example, a serene forest at sunrise with golden light filtering through the trees. You can even get specific with camera angles, movements, or styles, like cinematic, animated, or hyper-realistic. Choose your video length. Start small with 5 or 10 seconds, then hit generate. Sora will process your request and deliver your video in a few minutes. It's that easy. Now let's talk about thumbnails. Sora can help you there too. Instead of choosing video, go to the image generation tool. Type in your thumbnail prompt. For example, cartoon-style YouTuber pointing at a glowing laptop with background bold colors. You will get a high-quality thumbnail image you can download and use instantly. Make sure to customize the aspect ratio, likewise the quality for your thumbnail. And here's the fun part. You might have a totally different niche. Gaming, beauty, travel, finance, tech, cooking, whatever it is. You can tailor your prompt to match it. For example, if you run a tech review channel, you might try a futuristic smartphone rotating on a neon-lit table. If you're in beauty, a soft-focused skincare flat lay on marble background. Your niche should shape your prompt, and with the right keywords, Sora gives you visuals that match your content perfectly. Once your video or image is ready, simply hit download. For videos, you'll get an MP4 file. For thumbnails, you can choose PNG or JPG. Then upload your video to YouTube, add a new AI-generated thumbnail, and boom, you are good to go. Your content looks professional, polished, and uniquely yours. That's how it is easy to create high-quality videos and thumbnails using Sora AI. No matter what your niche is, just describe what you want and let the AI handle the rest. Got questions or want more Sora tips? Drop a comment below. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more smart tutorials. Thanks for watching.